This is a basic demonstration of a box. Really easy to demonstrate. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Get a square piece of paper. I lined it out. Square. Fold it like that. So it makes a triangle. And then fold it the other way. Okay. And then after you've done that, fold one corner to the middle. And do that with the other one as well. Okay, after you do that, fold them back in. Okay, unfold it. Should look like this. And then do it again with this side. After you finish that, it should look like a checkers board. Okay, after you do that, you need scissors. Cut this bit here through the second box. Do that with the other side as well. And turn around, do that again. Should look like that. Do flaps. Okay. After you do that, push that like that. Don't push that like that. Get that and turn it around in like that. Do that with the other side as well. So it should look like half a box, like that. And then do that, and then fold it over like that, like so. So it should look like that. Yeah, there you go. Box. That's what it looks like now. And thanks for watching. Bye.